How to open a Gold IRA and attract wealth. Hi, today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's all about securing your financial future and attracting wealth. In this video, we will delve into the world of Gold IRA, and I'll guide you on how to open a Gold IRA account to help you grow your wealth. Let's begin by understanding what a Gold IRA is and why it's an excellent investment opportunity. A Gold IRA, or individual retirement account, is a type of self-directed retirement account that allows you to hold physical gold and other precious metals as a part of your portfolio. Opening a Gold IRA offers several advantages over traditional retirement accounts. Let's explore some of the key benefits. Diversification. Gold has historically acted as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainties. By diversifying your portfolio with physical gold, you can protect your wealth from market volatility. Wealth preservation. Unlike paper currency, gold retains its intrinsic value over time. Investing in gold through a Gold IRA helps preserve your purchasing power and safeguard your wealth against currency devaluation. Tax advantages. Just like other IRAs, a Gold IRA offers potential tax advantages. Depending on the type of Gold IRA you choose, you may be eligible for tax deductions or tax-free growth. Now that we understand the benefits, let's discuss how to open a Gold IRA step by step. Step 1. Research and choose a Gold IRA custodian. The first step is to find a reputable custodian who specializes in self-directed precious metals IRAs. Ensure that the custodian is authorized by the IRS and has a solid track record in the industry. Step 2. Complete the application. Once you've chosen a custodian, you'll need to complete an application form. Provide all the necessary personal information and follow the instructions carefully. Step 3. Fund your Gold IRA. After your application is approved, you'll need to fund your Gold IRA. There are different options available, such as rolling over funds from an existing retirement account or making a direct contribution. Step 4. Choose your gold products. Now comes the exciting part, selecting the gold products for your Gold IRA. Work closely with your custodian to understand the options available and choose the products that align with your investment goals. Step 5. Secure storage. It's crucial to ensure the safe storage of your physical gold. Your custodian will arrange for secure storage in an IRS-approved depository. This protects your investment and ensures compliance with IRS regulations. Opening a Gold IRA is a great step toward building wealth. But there are other practices you can incorporate to attract wealth into your life. Here are some tips. Positive mindset. Cultivate a positive mindset and believe in your ability to attract wealth. Focus on abundance rather than scarcity. Goal setting. Set clear financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Break down your goals into actionable steps and stay committed to your financial journey. Continuous learning. Invest in your financial education. Read books, attend seminars, and stay updated with the latest investment strategies. Knowledge is power. Networking. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who are also striving for financial success. Build a network of mentors, advisors, and supportive friends who can inspire and guide you. You now have a comprehensive understanding. Click on the link in the description for more information.